guys, what's up? Today I will show you step by step absolutely everything about the best way to add scrolling logo banner to your Shopify store. These banners in modern e-commerce marketing is must-have things because it's a really simple solution, but works really great for social proof, and social proof works great for boosting conversions because it's a really simple way to add credibility to your website. Okay, so what's the best way to add this banner to your Shopify store? I recommend to use Type Scrolling Logo app. I will add the link to this app in the description to this video. This app is really user-friendly, and I will show you absolutely every settings, so you will have the flexibility to set up the banner as you like and make sure to match your brand, and works great on your live website. So let's start. After installation, go to the app's dashboard. Here we go. We have a setup guide and a button to create a button. Before we create our new banner, let's activate the widget. I press activate button, and app redirect me to my store, where I just need to make sure the toggle is on at the Fab Logo Banner app and press save. Okay, let's go back. Widget was enabled and it will be visible on the storefront of our store. Now time to create the banner. I will press create the banner button, and in the modal window I have all my settings. On the left side we have banner settings, style settings, and placement settings. We will go we will follow all the settings one by one. On the right we have the preview of our widget. We can switch to mobile version and see how it preview how it looks. I recommend always try it on the live store, so final result you will see on the live store. Okay, let's choose the name of our banner for logo banner 1. It's just for internal use in case you will create a couple of banners. Then we have options for banner style. We can use a trendy scrolling logo banner with animation like this one, or we can choose the classic logo grid without animation. Both options are good, but the marquee one is catching more attention to your banner, so it's more popular. Here we can change the speed of animation, change the direction of movement. Next, we have placeholder logos. I will delete it and upload my own logos. I press add new logo button and upload my logos. I have the option to add links. It's optional, so you can use it. For example, if you add async on logos for price mentions, and you can forward users to the articles about your brand like this. Okay, let's save it. I see the logo on the preview, and now time to upload our other logos. I will add 5 logos to my logo banner. I recommend to use like 5-10 logos for the best performance. number 4. Okay, and number 5. I use the logos in SVG format. This format is the best for these banners because it's light, it looks great and crisp on the Retina screens. So if it's possible, try to use SVG logos. Okay, next we have the option to change a banner title. We can just delete it, so it will be only logos, or change text for trusted by, as you know, as you like, and depend on the type of your banner. We have also option for the subtitle. You can leave it blank, or like in my case, I will add the info that I have a lot of customers, like you can highlight your benefits. Then we can choose the position of the text. We can place it on the left side or on the top. I will left it on the top. Let's save our changes and see other settings. I go to the style settings. Here I can make sure the banner match my brand. For example, change the color of the background. Add a gradient effect. Change spacings. I'll add more space on the top, on the bottom. Okay. We have also other spacing settings. I will left it. I want to make logos a little bit bigger. The original logo colors. Yes, I will just left my setup similar color for all the logos.